Welcome to Foodie Fix. Tonight I'm making bacon wrapped chicken dinner. It only takes a few ingredients. I also serve it with a dill sauce, and I made a side salad to go with it. It's so delicious. So your family is gonna love it. So let's make it. Come on. So let's get started with the chicken. I'm gonna show you how to slice it. I have already sliced the first one. Here we go. You just do that. There we go. So we got 2 pieces, and I have already done the other one. It's got 2 pieces here. And just put plastic over it, and we're gonna tenderize this chicken, okay? Some saran wrap. Put it over. And I have my meat tenderizer here. So we just beat it. Whew. That took some energy. So make sure it's smooth on all sides. Feels smooth. I'm going to take that out. There we go. And I have this one and that one. So we're going to season this with salt and pepper and some paprika. So first I have some salt. We're going to do that. There we go. And some pepper. Season it to your taste. Fresh cracked pepper always tastes good, so try to use that. Yeah. I was saying I get some paprika. I'll just do some. All right. You can always smooth it out with your hand if you don't get it all over. Yeah, there we go. So I'll get me new gloves. Just make sure if you're not using gloves, you wash your hands. Don't want to get salmonella from the chicken. So I use gloves. So we'll put this chicken to the side now. And you have 4 pieces. 4 pieces of chicken. And we're gonna be cutting our vegetables next. So I have changed my gloves, got me a new cutting board and new knife. And so I'm getting ready to cut up the vegetables and saute them. So let's get started. Here we go. I have the onion. I'm gonna cut that first. We're going to turning on the stove and start warming up my pan. And make sure you put it a little bit medium-low so you don't burn your onion. I'll put some butter there, about 2 tablespoons of butter. To the pan. There we go. So let it melt there. So I'm going to continue slicing my vegetables. And slice the mushroom next. All right, I'll use about 1.5 cups of mushrooms. So I hear it sizzling my pan. So I'm going to put my onions in. There we go. There we go. And we'll saute that. Good. Don't use high heat. You don't want to burn the butter. I'll give it about a minute before I add in the mushrooms. So I'll add some mushroom to it. You know, mushroom, when you cook it, it reduces, so I put in about 2 cups, but I think it'll probably make about 1.5 cups. There we go. While that's cooking, I'm gonna be chopping my garlic. I'll add to it. All right, let's cook that for about 2 minutes and it should be ready. There we go. So I'll add a little bit of salt, just a little pepper. Okay. So we'll just cook that until it's tender. This is smelling good already, so I'm gonna be shredding the cheese next. And I'll be chopping the parsley. So once we get that cooked, we have the parsley. That looks good, looks cooked. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna be rolling the chicken, but I need to shred some cheese. I have already pre-shredded some mozzarella cheese, so I have some. So we're gonna be going ahead and then getting the chicken ready for the oven. All right. Okay, we're ready for the chicken to be stuffed with the sauteed vegetables and cheese. Gonna roll it with the bacon. Also gonna put it on the 13x9 greased dish. I'm gonna put it in the oven on 375 for 30 minutes. All right, let's go. Here you go. First of all, we're gonna put the sauteed vegetables. We'll put that. Put some cheese. And some parsley. All right, and then take that and roll it. You're gonna have some, droppings. Don't worry about it. Take 2 pieces of bacon. Put that like this together. And you take your chicken and you're gonna be rolling it. I think I might have overstuffed this one, but it's okay. It'll be tasty. And take that and you just put in the dish like that. Okay, so we're ready for the second one. So I have some extra from earlier. Take a little spoon, little parsley. and cheese. So we'll roll this. Make sure you roll it really good. It's really, I could tell you the aroma smells good. And it's gonna be tasting good. So we'll take a couple of bacon slices. So I'm using beef bacon, I don't use pork. Take the chicken and roll it with the bacon. There we go. So we're gonna bake that for 30 minutes and 375. So I'm gonna be putting it in the oven. So we're gonna put it in the oven. I have already preheated my oven at 375. And it's gonna be 30 minutes. All right, so be back in 30 minutes and I'll see you then. Now I'm gonna get ready to make my side salad. So, all right, let's clean up a little bit and we'll get started. All right, now we're gonna make our sauce. So I have some dill, couple of garlic, and some sour cream, about a cup, and a soy sauce. So we're gonna make that sauce to go over the chicken. And after that, I'll make the side salad. So let's chop the dill. There we go. There. And we'll just crush the garlic like that. And chop that a little bit. So let me know if you'll do anything else, if you've tried this recipe before. And don't forget to comment, to share, and to subscribe. I'll add some soy sauce there. So by a little bit, 1/4 cup. And I usually use less sodium. So if you don't like too much sodium, you can use less sodium soy sauce. Just mix it well. Smells good with the garlic and the dill and the soy sauce. Yeah. All right, we'll put this aside until the chicken comes out. And then we're gonna move on to our salad. So for the salad, I have red onion, also have red bell pepper. I'm still gonna put a few garlics, some tomatoes, and slice those, and also cucumber. And we'll put all this in a bowl. All right. Gonna put that in there. All right. I'm gonna add my cream cheese to it. I'm gonna put some olive oil. A little bit of salt to taste, and I like some pepper in it. There we go. Now we're gonna just mix it well. And you take the cream cheese out so it could be soft. So look at it. Doesn't that look inviting? Can't wait. So I'm gonna just leave it here for now until the chicken is ready. We'll be back in a few minutes. All right. Okay, the chicken's done. I'm gonna go check on it. Make sure the temperature is between 165 to 190. And let's go check out. Oh, looks really well. Great. So here you go. Take a look. So we're gonna give it a taste. This chicken is gonna be delicious, so I can't wait to taste it. All right, take a little bit here. Ooh. It's got the bacon, the chicken, the vegetables. All right, there you go. Take a taste. It's good. Oh yes. The chicken, the bacon, the mushroom, the onions, the garlic, all blended well and it tastes so good. All right, take a taste of the salad. Very good. It's simple, it's fresh, light, goes well with the chicken and the bacon. This is really one great meal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. Till the next time, thank you for watching Foodie Fix. Bye.